All right, so today we are installing the Mina Gallery R intake on the 3-liter supercharged Jaguar XFS. So I'm excited. I've also got the K&N high flow filters. I'm excited. Apparently this brings out the supercharger sound. So we're going to see. It's pretty straightforward based on what I'm seeing. It seems like our new intake will connect here, here, and here. We've got one inlet that will come in on the top. It gives you 3 extra pieces of pipe, including, well, this is technically 4, and some bands. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Obviously that knob there. I don't think we really need to take a bunch of parts off of the car. One here, looking like it's probably 10. No, it's bigger than 10. 1 clamp, 2 clamp, 3 clamp, 4 clamp, 5 clamp. Unplug this. To do that, you are going to pull up on this yellow, and then you'll be able to press this. Just be careful not to break it, and I can just go out of the way. So the way that I'm going to do this is just get this stuff out of the way. I think actually it might be better. So I'll disconnect this and then pull the air boxes off. So same on this side, disconnect this, pull the air box off, and I'll update from there. I'm just going to start by loosening off all of the existing bands. They're all going to have to come off eventually. It's not going to hurt anything to get that over with up front. So these bolts around the intake are a T25, nice and simple. All right, so for this one mount, we've got a 10 mil. It was correct the first time. Haven't done this in a while, but pretty straightforward. We got these bolts undone. That was that T25. These are all loose, and then it's just this 10 mil. I believe then we are ready to start pulling it apart. All right, on this right side, there's one more of this yellow clip. You can see that pops up. You pop the yellow up, and then you'll be able to squeeze under it. There we go. A little harder because you can't see it, but it's right under the yellow. This tab here is where you squeeze. Honestly, one of the best designs I've seen so far on those clips. I love Jaguar so much. All right, so how I took this one apart is I did this first, disconnect that, and because I loosened all the screws off, simple as that. Now we've got the filters. I'm going to leave for a minute because I have the K&N replacements right here. I'm going to get this tube in place. I'm going to take this tube taken apart and then tube in place and go from there. So this connection in the middle gave me a little bit of grief. Just wiggle it, bend it, and then this mount here, I've got my mount messed up. Okay, so this guy here, that is just tight. Just give it a reef, it'll come off. And other than that, we got the stock intake out of the car. All right, so these are so nice, heavy duty, beautiful filters. I'm excited to hear this thing once we get this done. So skipping ahead to the finish install here, this was super simple. All we did was put the 2 rings on, get them semi-tight. I slid them on this way, dropped it in, attached it to this, tightened it. Same exact thing on this side, slid it on this way with the clamps on, and then slid it over. It was, you just want to make sure you get that seal. Super simple. This guy, super simple. Where are we here? In here, we got the back clamp. Front clamp was a bit annoying, but it is on there. That's that. This guy here, so I'm not sure that I did that completely correct. I'm actually going to cut this off and then just put a metal clamp on that like they gave me here, because they gave me this tube. Yeah, so I slid it onto the existing. I had to trim this a little bit, and also we lose a bunch of airflow with that. So yeah, we're gonna run it, see what happens.